You ain't put no content out yet? You ain't put no content out yet? Oh, no. See, what you viewers don't understand, I got videos done already. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Got videos done. Oh, by the way, hello, viewers. Mornings. Another beautiful day. Hope your five senses work. Health and strength is good or excellent. Good. Alright, now, what do we got here? Oh, for you, let's see here, for you, what do we got here? What do we got here? What are we talking here? Let's see here. What are we talking here? For you, Fedora users. Light too bright. Fedora users. Anyway, what I got for you? You know you got a new update coming, right? Listen to this. Fedora 42 beta out with new cosmic desktop environment spin. Yeah, for you Linux users. Yeah, you. Says here Fedora beta is now available for enthusiasts to download and test before the stable version lands in about a month. The release is going to be quite notable because KDE Spin has been promoting the edition status. There is a new spin available features System 76 Cosmic Desktop Environment, which is still built using Rust, featuring built-in safety compared to other low-level programming language like C. Oh, speaking of programming, there's a new update to Java too, you know. Just saying. Anyway, regarding the new changes to Fedora Workstation, which is GNOME based on GNOME base, we get the new DNF5, which can remove expired or obsolete repository keys from the system. This automation means less unnecessary data accumulate on your installation, and it means fewer things will go wrong. It says here another change in Fedora Workstation is SDL3 transition and Wayland by default for SDL apps. Fedora 42 beta also adds GNOME well-being features in the settings, which let you track screen time and set time limits and more. Then it says Fedora project is seeking willing guinea pigs to try out the beta so that more bugs can be reported and quashed before the stable release in around a month's time. If you do find any bugs while testing, you can read the Fedora docs to learn how to file bugs. And then it says if you're interested in downloading this beta, just head to Fedora Workstation, downloading, and toggle the show beta download option to be presented with the beta download option. If you want the Cosmic Spin, then the best way to obtain it right now appear to be via torrent. Just scroll down until you reach the Fedora 42 section. Yeah, for you Linux users. Yeah, Fedora. Anyway, wait a minute. Fedora. Anyway, alright. Let me stop playing here. We got one comment from the debaters. It says, "I've always been a fan of Fedora, one of the best Linux out there. With the latest features, one of the best Linux. But you can't forget XFCE. You know, just saying. Can't forget XFCE. Yeah. Anyway, XFCE is hilarious. Yeah. All right. What else we got else here on the news? Speaking of Fedora. Oh, let's see here. What else we got? Oh, speaking of programming languages, there's something here else too. If I can find it. Let's see here. What's this? Where is it? I've seen an article here about Java. Yeah. So yeah. Once you start learning Java, man, never stop learning it. Never stop learning it. You'll get better at it as time progresses. Yeah. Java. Yeah. So it says here, Oracle details new features, performance improvement for Java 24. Yeah. It says here, in a year of its 13th anniversary, Oracle has just announced the availability of Java 24 for developers. Some notable additions in the update included new artificial intelligence and post-quantum crypto capabilities. Java 24 is the first release of the year. However, we can expect Java 25 later this year after 6 months. Over the past 30 years, Java has provided developers with a comprehensive platform to build and deploy applications that address diverse range of use cases, said George Sabs, Senior Vice President, Oracle Java Platform and Chair, Open JDK Governing Board, with more than 20 new features spanning every element of Java, including new AI and post-quantum cryptic capabilities. The Java 24 release gives developers the tools they need to build innovative AI-infused applications. I told you I can't read, you know. Anyway, it says here, as the stewards of Java, we're excited to work with the global Java community to continue delivering a steady stream of new features via our predictable 6-month cadence. Here's an overview of some of the most important new features, including in Java 24. What do we got here for Java? It says here, primitive types and pattern expanding, matching to include primitive types in instance of a switch, flexible constructor bodies, improved constructor reliabilities with distinct prologues and epilogue phases, module import declaration simplified importing of modules and package, simplified source files and instance main method, streamlined entry for beginners and choice of small program. And it says library improvement. Steam gathers enhanced Steam API with a custom intermediate update, class file API, standardized API for class file manipulation, scoop values, improved thread safe and data sharing, vector API, accelerated vectors computation on supported CPUs, structured currency, simplified multi-thread programming, and for security advancement, key derivation function API, enhanced cryptographic security, quantum resistance key encapsulation, ML-Chem, post-quantum cryptography readiness, quantum resistant digital signature, MLDSA, post-quantum cryptography readiness, performance, compact object headers, reduce object headers size for better memory users, late barrier extensions for G1, optimized G1 garbage collector, ahead of time class loading and linking, faster application startups, GC, remove non-generational modes, simplified GDC maintenance. See, that's programming for you, for all you people that's been keeping up with it. Synchronize virtualized threads without pinning, improve virtualized threads, scalabilities, tooling, linking runtime image without JMods, reduce JDK size, increase linking flexibility. And if you like to take a technical dive into Java 24, Oracle has prepared specialized technical blogs. If you're not bothered and want to get started using Java 24, you can grab JDK 24 now from the download page. Yeah, Oracle software powers the internet. Yeah, anyway, this is your Mr. Around here. I'm just joking here. What do we got from the debaters? We got 13 comments. Alright, let's see what they're yapping about here. What they squawking about. Let's see here, what they talking about here. Mr. Electrifier, Java is still being used these days? Question mark. Can't recall the last time I installed Java on my system, or has it become so well integrated with everything that we don't even worry nor think about it. And then who is this? Paradise Law said this. It's wildly used just server side. And then Rigby said this. I still have a few Java applications on my system, including media server and a few utilities, and of course Minecraft. And Becker said this. Java is used a lot these days. However, companies learn that expecting the user to install their own JRE leads to problems. So nearly all package applications that Java use will also include their own JRE in software. In the software. Minecraft is the most transparent example of this, but many others do it too. In fact, Oracle has basically forced the issue by no longer making the Oracle Java JRE a free download for version 9 and forward. Now you can only get it open source version of it or have it included with the application. And then who's this? Lexion said this: most software move away from it when Sun started charging to even use runtime. There's still odd application while used as embedded, very old version pre-licensing charge. Here, here's looking at you, MATLabs. Anyway, and then Adrenaline said this: OpenJDK FTW. Anyway, WinMac said this: the last software I used that requires Java to be installed was LimeWire. And Rosie, she said, Gerdra, a tool for a professional, requires Java. And Adrenaline says all JetBrain produce do what? He says all JetBrains products do as well. And then Becker said, highly doubt you just don't realize it because software these days always includes the JRE as a part of the installation. And then see, Fusey said Java, I don't know her. He said Java, I don't know her. Anyway, Eternal Tempest, he's like, Amazon OpenJDK is an option. Note they have not released version 24 yet. It's also completely free. Amazon Corretto is a no-cost, multi-platform production-ready distribution of Open Java development kit. Corretto comes with a long term of support that will include performance enhancement and security. It says fix. Amazon runs Corretto internally on thousands of production services, and Corretto is certified as compatible with Java SE standard. With Corretto, you can develop and run Java application on popular operating systems including Linux, Windows, and Mac. And then Adrenaline comes back. He's responding to Tempest. He says, I use Red Hat OpenJDK myself. Anyway, yeah, Java is still around, man. The question is this though: were you still keeping up with it all that time from the time it came out until now, or did you move on to or did your love for Java burned out, or did you move on to something else? That's the question, you know. So Java is still around. Oh yeah, still around. Still around and doing pretty well, man. Oracle, if Oracle is still around, Java is still around. Make no mistake about it. So yeah. Other than that, man, anything else on the gaming news here? Anything else? Let's see here. What else we got here? Since we talking video games here, okay, let's see here. Let's see here. What do we got on the gaming news here that we can add to this? Nothing else. So see if oh wait a minute. Let me look again. But that program C++ is still around. C#, C++, C#, all those programming languages are still around. The question is like, were you still keeping up with it, you know, or did you move on to something else, you know? Yeah. So yeah, C++ is programming is still around, you know. Still around. Oh yeah, still around. Now, what else can we find on this news thing here? You know, I gotta feed you viewers. You know, I know you're sitting here like, huh? He hasn't put out anything? Oh no. You know me. I'm gonna put something out. Always. I'm gonna put something out, man. You know. So be expecting news. Be expecting me to put something out. Yeah. I just okay. What do we got here? What do we got? Anything else on the programming side? On the software? Yeah. Computer information movement. You know, You know, these programming language is all about keeping up with the time. You know, keeping up with the time and the demands. You know, so if you started using Java from the 1990s, man, you got a good 30 plus years of experience with it, man. So yeah, them companies looking for you, so you have the power, you know. Yeah, you can work remotely. You ain't got to be in the office, you know. So yeah. Oh yeah. What else we got here? Anything? Give us something. All right. Well, that is that. So you Fedora and Java users, have fun, enjoy. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Nice talking to you people again. Chris, Star Wars and Star Trek fan. Dark side. Go. Peace.